This is the Opt7 55 watts 8000k HID lights. They're warming up. Takes a while to warm up, but they are bright. They are really blue, they are really blue. You can see on the floor. They look white. I think it's a Samsung Galaxy NOTE4 making it look white. Because I got it in auto exposure, but see, they are blue. I got the insides blue LEDs. This is 55 watts, 8000k. This is blue LEDs. They are really bright. This is the fog lights and the headlights. Both of them are 8000k. I will show you the 6000k right now that I put on a Prius. It's actually also Opt7, also 55 watts. I got bright white LED lights for reverse. These lights are extremely bright. Really blue. I might switch it to the 6K, but I'll compare it with the car right now so you guys can see the difference. Really bright. Let me bring out the car to compare it. This is the 6K on the right, a Prius. Also Opt7 55 watts. As you can see, it's way brighter. You can see way